Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam in a minute course. In that lecture we're gonna talk about surface blend toolpath. As you can see here, we can easily create that kind of toolpath. You can also see the extended parts here. That's also quite important for to get actually and the better surface and roughness. Okay, and when I am turned to actually geometries, we're gonna see the four surface is selected, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then when I am turned to blend toolpath, and we can also see this chain and this chain. So I'm gonna start from here to here. Okay, let me turn to actually my backdot simulation, and we're gonna see that kind of toolpath actually by using the actually and the ball nose tool, and then we're gonna get that kind of toolpath. If you also would like to extend your face like this one, this is extended and this is also extended, you're gonna get that kind of toolpath as you can see here.